The very first thing I say to every newbie in the e-commerce business is congratulations. Congratulations. Why? Because you are about to become a millionaire. Yes, you are going to make millions of money. It is a guarantee, right? It is guaranteed in the e-commerce business around the world. Young people are making a huge and a good living. They're making huge sum of money every month. It requires a lot of work. Honestly, I'm going to be very straightforward with you. It requires a lot of work, but there's a guarantee that you will see reward for all your efforts. That is the beauty of e-commerce, right? So in this video, I'm going to share with you 7 mistakes that you need to avoid. It is very common. Well, you might have been making some of them, and I'm going to teach you how to overcome these mistakes, right? I made some of these mistakes in my early days. It costs me a lot. Honestly, it cost me a lot. It cost, in fact, I could have made this video up to 10 mistakes, but I stop at 7, right? It cost me a lot, and I'm going to share these mistakes with you. I'm going to share the corrections with you, and I'm going to give you a blueprint that will guide you moving forward. All right. So let's not beat around the bush. The mistake number one. Let's get to the mistake number one. Importing a product before testing it. Now, this can go in 2 ways. Either you import the product or you buy from a direct supplier, right? Within your country. It could be in Nigeria, Ghana, what is it called? Kenya, Tanzania, South Africa, wherever you are, right? You need to understand how these things work. Don't import a product before testing it. It may turn to a souvenir in your house. I did this in the past, right? I have made some mistakes like this. I imported some products. Some worked. Honestly, some worked out. Like it was surprising. Some worked. I saw one fitness equipment that I imported, one fitness accessory. I did not test it. I just saw the video online and during my research, and I felt like this product is going to be a banger. And I just went ahead that night. I opened my laptop, went to Alibaba, went to 1688, did all my research, did quality comparison, did product comparison, did weight comparison, right? Then I did the what's it called? Vendor rating to be sure that the vendors that I'm going to buy from are people who sell quality products and vendors who are authentic. Okay, so once I confirm all of those things, on that very night was the night I placed an order for the product. I ordered 50 pieces of that product that night. Was it 50 or 100 thereabout? No, 50 or thereabout. Yes, that night. And I used express shipping, so it got to me in Nigeria in less than 7 days, about five days thereabout. I received the product. I set up my advert, started running advert. Luckily, it worked out. I sold it off. And then I went back and imported more, like more quantity. I sold thousands of it later on. But that was luck. That was luck. I did it for 2 products. The two worked. But many other products that I did it for did not work. I have some samples of products that I have imported that I could not sell. I still have them. I cannot make such mistakes anymore. I will not pay any supplier. I will not buy products in large quantity before I test. I'll have to buy one or two so that I can create my ad creative. I can see how it works and then I will test it. If it works, if the advert, if you know what I mean by if it works, like if the orders come in, right? I can go ahead and import or purchase in quantity and start selling. So yes, don't if you don't want to have sleepless nights, don't tread this part. Don't import products before testing it. Test first. And if it is verified that the demand is there, by all means, go ahead, import, buy, sell. You're going to make money. Number two, outsourcing Facebook ads too early. Don't do this. Don't be that guy. You have to learn how to structure your ad account first. Learn how to structure your business manager. You know that in one business manager, you can have multiple ad accounts. Learn how to structure your business manager. In one Facebook profile, under one Facebook account, you can have up to 8 business managers or more. I think I have about 8 or 9 or thereabouts, right? Under each of these business manager, you can have multiple ad accounts, up to 5, 6, 7, 8, as the case may be, depending on your capacity to run adverts. So learn how to structure these things properly, your business manager, your ad accounts. Also learn how to run effective adverts so that by the time you begin to outsource the advert and marketing part, you will know what to look out for. You will know where to make corrections. When you're beginning to monitor the metrics and performance of your ad, you will know what is working and what is not. So learn Facebook ad, master it, understand it, let it be your bread and butter so that you can be able to detect when there is an error, when there's a mistake, or when something is going wrong, and you can correct it on time instead of just burning money and seeing little to no results. Do not outsource earlier. Get used to it first. Face the heat, embrace it, get used to it, conquer it, then you can outsource later. Number three, it is a mistake when you have only one or two ad accounts. It is a mistake, even if your product is compliance with the Facebook advert, right? This is a recipe for disaster because let's face it, your business depends on adverts, and then you have one ad account or two. If it gets blocked, because it will definitely get banned or restricted at some point, you will experience that pressure. You will go through that phase. If you get to that phase, what happens? Your business stays stalled, like your business is stalled, it's paused. We're talking business, we're talking money. Your business is paused, nothing is happening. Your money is not coming in. As someone who does e-commerce, as an e-commerce merchant, any day that money does not come into your account, you will not feel okay. I'm telling you honestly, any day money does not come into your account, something will something, your body is not correct, it's not complete. You are feeling awkward, you are feeling uneasy. That's the business you are into. You must see credit alert every day. You must see order every day. It gives you morale. It gives you ginger to keep going. So don't be such a person who has only one ad account or one business manager, right? Have multiple. Have backups. Have a backup plan so that if Mark and his team should attack this one, you fire more. Fire more. You have to be battle ready. You don't sharpen your sharpen your sword on the day of battle. No, you have to be ready so that when the battle comes, it will meet you ready. Number four, not testing enough advert creative. This is the bane of many newbies, right? Don't just conclude that a product is not working yet. You have to test. You have to test. Don't just conclude that that product is not working. I tried it. You tried it how? You did probably one advert creative, one video or two or three videos. That's not enough. You have to understand that there's a concept called marketing angle. And to sell one product, there are multiple marketing angles. If you want to sell this phone, for instance, there are multiple marketing angles you can use to sell this phone. All right, to sell this phone, there are multiple marketing angles you can use to sell this phone. Yes, so you have to deploy different marketing angles and put them into a creative, into a video, and publish. If angle if angle 1A does not work, angle 1B can work. If angle 1B does not work, angle 1C can work. If the 3 does not work, angle 2A can work. In the e-commerce space, right? It is battle of creatives, not battle of the best targeting. We are gradually moving away from the targeting phase. We are into the battle of the best creatives. Your marketing is your superpower in the e-commerce business. So you have to test enough creatives. If not, you are going to lose out. Sorry. Number five, killing your ads so soon. Yes, I've seen newbies. They complain. They come to me a lot. I have a lot of DMs here that I've been running this ad for 2 days. I've spent $5. I've spent $10. I've not seen any order yet. You've not spent money. How much have you spent? 5,000, 2,000, and you're complaining. People are spending money, 100K every day, no order, and the next day they put in more money. Don't kill your ad so soon. Give it time. Let the ad breathe. Let your ad breathe, right? Impatience is not something that you have to be proud about, okay? Let the ad breathe. Give it time. Give it time. Spend some money. Throw in some bucks into the ad. There are some ads that does not work on the first 3 days. Surprisingly, maybe on the fifth day, it picks up and it gives you an order that will cover for the lost days. There are some ad that picks up in the second week, but do you have the finance to bear it? Do you have the shock absorber? Do you have the shock absorber, the capacity to chest that kind of pain, to wait patiently? Then after 1 week, then you say, okay, you know what? Let me give it a rest. I'll come back to you probably 2 weeks later. Because take it or leave it, an ad, a product might not sell now. Try it again next month, it starts selling, right? In another way, also, a product can be selling now and next month it stops selling. Try it in 2 months' time, it picks up again. These things are seasonal and not seasonal, but these things happen on and off. Don't kill your ad so soon. Patience, my boy. Patience, come on. You make money, oh, but patience and hard work. Number six, upsetting a winning advert. This is a mistake. Do not upset a winning advert. Your ad is performing greatly, isn't it? That's good. Let it keep running. Let it cook. Let it cook now. I say, let it cook. Let that advert cook. Don't touch it. Just keep funding it. Keep putting fuel. Right? Keep adding fuel to the fire. Don't try to quench the fire so that you can get more fuel. No. Allow that ad to continue running as long as possible. If you wish to increase your budget, duplicate the ad. Keep that one, leave that one to keep running. Duplicate it and increase budget in the new ad set or in the new, yes, in the new ad set or in the new ad. But that one that is already performing well, don't stop it. Don't let your funds run through. Don't let your money finish in the other account. Make sure that your other account is fully funded, right? Don't increase the budget. Leave it. Don't touch it. Don't do anything. Don't near it. You'll be shocked though. So I'm telling you for real. Don't upset your advert. Leave the winning ad to keep winning until it gets tired. Leave it to keep winning. Please, for your own good and for the good of your bank account. By the way, have you liked this video? Please make sure you like this video if you enjoy my content. And if you like to see more content like this, consider subscribing to my channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be among the very first people to get notified whenever I publish videos like this and videos on advertising, on sales, marketing, on how to make money online. I'm your guy for that kind of content. So subscribe. Yes, number seven, not building a solid relationship with a supplier. Listen, in this line of business, I've come to understand that humans are soft and emotional. When you have built relationship with them, they can trust you. We see trust is never an issue in the e-commerce space, especially if you are someone that has capacity to deliver. I have suppliers who will give me products worth millions, like millions, on trust. They'll give you on trust, on credit. Let me sell and return. Some have called me to their warehouse in Alaba, in Ireland, everywhere, even in Mushin, even in this Odolo, this all these places. They have called me to their warehouse. They've shown me products, different products. Say, sell it for me. Let's sell this thing. I'll give you for so amount. Go and sell any amount you like. It is based on trust. Somebody will give you product worth 7 million, product worth 17 million, product worth 50 million on trust. Why? Because you build solid relationship with them. Don't sleep on relationship. See, the point you are now and the point you aspire to be could be as simple as knowing somebody and having a good rapport with the person. Somebody can pick you from here and place you here. It takes what? Relationship. It takes network. It takes connection. Your relationship is the connection that you seek. Build solid relationship with your suppliers, with their boys and their guests, people that work with them. These are people that can always supply with information, price changes, price updates, new product modification, send you videos, send you pictures, send you everything. It works. Please, please have a solid relationship with the suppliers. It is for your own good on the long run. I promise you. This one. Do I talk about delivery agents? I will not talk about this because you're going to meet the crazy ones. You're going to meet the weapons passion against you. You're going to meet the jabajanti ones. See, you're going to meet delivery agents, especially in Africa, right? See, these people. Anyway, I will let you decide what your action would be when you meet these ones, right? You're a business person now. You must treat e-commerce as a business, as a serious business, because indeed e-commerce is a serious business. I've made a lot of money. I generated millions through e-commerce. Look at me, no rich anybody. Put ourselves out of poverty through e-commerce. You can do the same thing. A lot of my students have done the same thing. So I mean, you can do the same thing. I'm giving information for free. Go and implement, and I promise you, you will make money. That's the beauty of it. So, which of these mistakes have you made? Which ones are you going to correct henceforth? Which ones would you like me to add in this video? Let's hear from you in the comment section below, right? Thank you for watching. Thank you. Please make sure you like, comment, make sure you share this video with people you know who find it helpful. Make sure you ask your questions and drop your contributions also. You can connect with me via social media. My name is Courage Ngele on Instagram, TikTok, where's it? Twitter, everywhere. Courage Ngele. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.